This is the Cheesecake Factory in DFC. It's great for breakfast, lunch, brunch, and dinner. It all started from one cheesecake. That cheesecake turned Cheesecake Factory into what it is right now. This has more than 250 dishes, all made from scratch with organic ingredients. It has a beautiful display of cheesecakes in a counter, so you all can see the beauty of it. This is the beauty of the cheesecakes. They have an appetizer which is bread and butter. The white bread is actually really good. Yeah. This is the breakfast: potato, egg, tomatoes, onions, flatbread. This is a mushroom omelette with bread and potatoes on the side. This was the best of them all: waffles and chicken with egg yolk on top. And we went for my aunt's birthday, and this is the cheesecake we bought. Is the cookie dough cheesecake, and it tastes like cookie dough. Yeah. Then we came for my little brother's birthday. We ordered the godiva cheesecake for him. It's a great place to eat and celebrate with your loved ones. So, bye.